Okay, what percent of 8 is 6? So we do not know the percent. We do know when we set it up that it goes over 100. And it says what percent of 8 is 6. So remember, is over of. So is 6, that's the part. And of is the whole. So in order to solve this, 8's not a friendly number with 100. That relationship is not friendly. We're going to get an ugly number. So what we want to do is we want to simplify 6/8. And if we divide both 6 and 8 by 2, we will get 3/4. Now 3/4 is what percent of 100? So 4 times 25 is 100. So we do the same thing up top, and 3 times 25 is 75. So 6 over 8 equals 75% over 100.